So if you're going to be routing pipe, that's going to be referencing an existing P&ID that you created in AutoCAD P&ID. The easiest way to get your pipe and fittings is to get them directly from the P&ID. Let's take a look at a tool that's going to help us do that. If you go ahead into your part insertion panel in your home tab, you're going to see that you have a tool called P&ID line list. If you click that on, what it's going to do is it's going to give you the P&IDs that you have in your project. And then within that P&ID, you'll also have the line groups that are available. So I'm going to go ahead and expand this line group 1038. And I'm going to select this carbon steel 300 pipe that we're going to use. And I'm going to go ahead and place it into my model by choosing that button that says place. I'm going to go ahead and use my direct entry to place the pipe. And I'm going to set my degrees. And we'll go with that right there for that segment of pipe. Now, to be able to enter a gate valve into here, what we're going to do is we're going to just click on the gate valve that's in the project in the P&ID, and then we're going to place it. Since we're going to place this one at the end of our pipe, we're going to use our node snap. Whenever I get the OK on the node, I'll go ahead and click that. Then I'll set the degrees for the rotation of the handle at 0. And we'll go ahead and we'll place the other gate valve in as well. This time this one's going to go in line, so we're going to use our nearest snap. And when I get the clearance for the nearest, I'll go ahead and set it, and go ahead and also set a 0 degrees on our rotation. If that gate valve is not exactly where we need it, remember we can use our move grip, and then we can just slide it on to the position we want, either manually or by direct entry. And that's just a little bit that you can do using your P&ID line list to route pipe and choose your fittings.